You may not always want to make a report, but you may want to explore out the data sources that you may have. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around and click on create, and over here you can see Explorer is an option. So if I were to go around onto Explorer right here, then you can see that you get the data sources that you have over here on the right. So you can go around and click on a data source that you want, and over here you can see the data sources like this. So you can go around over here and explore out. So here you can go around and add in charts right here, as you can see, and then this is the Explorer. You can also go around and resize the chart right here just like this and place it wherever you want. So this is a simplified version, as you can see right here. So over here on the bottom, you also have tabs right here that you can manage out. So you can have multiple tabs instead of pages right here. And you can go around over here and you can rename out these tabs over here as well. Kind of like Google Sheet tabs or Excel tabs, as you can see. And you can duplicate out the tabs over here as well. And you can remove out the tabs over here as well. So you got the same options that you get in regular report mode, but you can see that you have filters on the top right here. So you can go around and add in a filter from over here and work around with different charts and import out different charts right here, just like this. And that is how you can use the Explorer mode, and you can go around and save it out just like this. And then what happens is that it'll be saved out over here onto the Explorer section, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can use the Explorer mode inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.